Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Radiance Diva Skincare. So if today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. And to my old subscriber guys, thank you so much. And if you want to join my online training class, yes, training is going on right now. So just go to the description box below. My number is there, my Instagram page is there, and my Facebook page is also there, and even up here you can also see my Instagram name. Okay guys, so you can contact me and register for your online training class. So guys, please pardon my weave on. I've been looking for my airbrush, I didn't see it, so I just took the video and put it because I really needed to do this video due to popular demand guys. So today guys, we are going to be making sunburn oil. Yes, sunburn oil for face and also for the body. So this is a recipe class. So guys, just sit down, take your notes please. In case if you don't have your notes yet, just get a note, get your pen, and pause this video and go and get your note, and also go and get your pen guys. Please get your note and get your pen. So this is how you can make your sunburn oil for your face and also for your body guys. So we are going to start right away. So okay, normally I shouldn't be doing this, but let me just do it because this is one of my training, and I just decided to also do this because of too much of demand. So if you want to make your sunburn oil guys, it is really anything you are applying on your skin. Even if you're in Europe, even if you're in Nigeria, it is very important that you secure your skin because of sunburn. You may have a lightening skin. Once you start having sunburn, girl, man, you will not like. In fact, you want to go to dark. You just want to darken your skin back because having a lightening skin with sunburn is bad. You know, sometimes you may not even have sunburn due to sun. You may be in your house and you will still have sunburn. Why? Because maybe the product you're using is kind of harsh, so it will be burning your skin, but all the same we call them sunburn. You will have some skin burn due to cream reaction, but we are still going to call it sunburn. Okay, so the same treatment you use in treating your sunburn is still the same treatment you're still going to use the normal skin burn that you have. Okay guys, so we're going to be making a sunburn body oil and face oil. So the first ingredient on our list that you can use to make your sunburn, I'm going to tell you the ingredients, and I'm still going to tell you the measurements guys. So you can Google this product on yourself. Just go to Google and Google the benefits of this product. So because I don't want this video to be too long, I'm just going to be telling you the names of this product and also the measurement of this product. So your own is to go and Google the benefits of this product. Okay, so the first product that we're going to be needing is olive oil. Olive oil is great when it comes to sunburn. Great. Okay, very great, perfect, please. And if you're using olive oil, make sure you're getting the pure organic olive oil. You see that pure organic olive oil, it is greenish, very green, pure one, cold press. We have the one that is not cold press, we have the cold press. The one that is not cold press, that one has already been heated. So due to the heat, most of the benefits of that olive oil is already gone. So you have to get the pure organic cold press olive oil. So you're going to need 5 teaspoons of pure organic olive oil. Please guys, write it down. 5 teaspoons of pure organic olive oil. And you're going to need 2 tablespoons of calendula infused oil. So guys, what we call calendula infused oil, just like you have your calendula flour, you buy any great oil like almond oil, then you can infuse your calendula flour, and you can infuse it for 1 month, 2 months, and you have your calendula infused oil. Or you can just get pure calendula oil in the market guys. So you're going to be using 2 tablespoons of calendula infused oil, and we are also going to need 1 tablespoon of your wet gym oil. 1 tablespoon of your wet gym oil. and 15 drops of lavender essential oil. Is a drop, like when you open the lavender oil, you just drop it. Once you get to 15 drops, then you end it there. Okay, so we also need 4 drops of chamomile, German chamomile essential oil. Okay, German or Roman chamomile essential oil. I'm reading from my recipe notes, guys. I'm reading from my recipe notes. And we also need 3 drops of your neroli essential oil. Okay, 3 drops of your neroli essential oil, and 2 drops of your geranium essential oil. Guys, so I'm going to start again. To make your sunburn oil, we need 5 tablespoons of your extra olive essential oil, and we need 2 tablespoons of your calendula infused oil, and we need 1 tablespoon of your wet gem oil, and you need 15 drops of your lavender essential oil, and we also need 4 drops of your German or Roman chamomile essential oil, and we need 3 drops of your neroli essential oil, and you need 2 drops of your geranium essential oil. Guys, we are not doing too much. All you have to do is to mix these oils together. You're not going to heat it. You're not going to like dissolve it. You're not going to do anything extra. Just mix this oil together. Put it in a little bottle, or you can put it in a white container or maybe a brown container, just to secure it from sunlight. Okay, just put it in a normal container and or a bottle, so that the oil will not how will I put it, the oil will not get rancid on time. Okay, then you start using your oil. If you're going out, if you're going under the sun, you apply your oil all over your skin. So you must not apply it to be too shiny, like you're applying much. No, you just put a drop on your palm, rub it together, and you apply it on your skin if you're going under the sun. So this oil is going to help you to shade sunburn. It's going to help you to shade sunburn. It's going to prevent this normal sun is really good. Sun is really good on the skin. It's really good. So just for it to prevent the burning of the sun, because everybody wants to take sun. Every human being needs sun. We need sun on our skin, but we just need to try to prevent the burn. So you apply this oil on your skin whenever you're going under the sun, and you're going to see that even if you're going to spend 2 hours under the sun, nothing, you're not going to experience anything like sunburn or sort of. Okay, so this oil is great. It has been helping me. And don't panic, it's not going to darken your skin, please. I know most of you will be like, is this oil not going to darken the skin? No, it's not going to darken the skin. Okay, just olive oil, chamomile oil, calendula oil, and some essential oil. It is not going to darken your skin. This is how you're going to make your sunburn oil at home. Apply it on your skin, and if you also want to sell it, why not? You can sell your sunburn oil, guys. So in our next video also, I'm also going to teach you how to make sunburn face cream. The recipe, not a video, guys, just the recipe. So it's really easy to make. Mix all your oils together and you're done. That is your sunburn oil. Apply it on your skin whenever you're going out under the sun, and you are done. This is really good. It's not only going to help you with sunburn, it's also going to help you with moisturizing, guys. It's going to help you with moisturizing, guys. So that is it. If you have any question, please leave your question below the description box. Don't come to my WhatsApp. Leave your question below the description box, and I'm going to answer all of your questions, guys. So feel free to join our training class. In our training class, we don't just do only recipe, we also send you a video. Okay, we send you video of all the products that you are going to be learning. So that one is really perfect than this YouTube stuff, right? So guys, I'm going to see you soon in my other next video. Bye.